Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to print a job offer on the Jooble application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, and now at this home page you are ready to select from a bunch of job offers. So click on the one that interests you and would like to know more about. Here you can read about the data and some information about that job, the job details, requirements, and how can you apply for it, what to attach to your application. So if you would like to print this this job offer, just simply click on this button down below, this third button, and now scroll down till you find this print option. Tap on it, and now you will see the layout of the print. Here you can select your printer by tapping on the first icon, and then you should also select how many copies do you want to make. And you can also select which pages do you want to print out. Since you don't have to print it out like 1 to 6, but you can also select whether you would like to print out, for example, from page 5 to page 6. So if you are done with these steps, just simply press the button print in the upper right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye!